Hi, this is Mouaid Darwich from Veborsa, and I'm recording this video in order to talk about my recent experience with PageFly. Well, we decided to kickstart our own new business here in Italy, producing vegan leather bags made of orange peels and cactus leaves. It is a crazy idea that we decided like to dedicate all of our energy for me, my partner here in Rome. We had a problem, however. The problem was that we didn't know anything about web design and how we could basically develop a website to sell our products worldwide. So we decided to go and do our research to serve the internet and while we were on the Shopify platform, we ended up basically checking PageFly. I thought at first that it might be like any other provider having like some services that are quite limited that required us to know some coding and programming. And truth to be said, I didn't know anything. I still don't know anything about that. So uh, the first day went like that, but like in the next few days, I started to discover how easy to use this platform is. It's PageFly. We're talking about a very, very extreme, easy to use platform that you can actually use in order to build and navigate through your website. You can drag and drop any section you want. Everything is possible with this platform. It's like really insane that there's literally nothing is missing in this platform. And the most important and the most interesting experience I had on that platform is the customer support. 5 out of 5 stars. I've never had such a customer support from a platform ever before. And they could like they just kept helping us 24/7 nonstop. They could even like help us with so many tasks and so many things that were out of their scope, with things that had nothing to do with the page fly, but with our website itself, that they really didn't have to, but they were just like willing. They were just there to keep assisting and to keep helping us basically with the business. So long story short, I would absolutely recommend PageFly for any new entrepreneurs like me, who would like to thrive and never worry about their web design and their website at all. And yeah, I know that I belong to the lazy department, but hey, we are like working on so many things every day, and we need the team of PageFly to actually be with us during this adventure. So I totally recommend PageFly, and I'm never disappointed. I've never been disappointed of this decision that I've made.